All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2016 Ford Transit. It is the T-350 XLT model with 12-passenger vehicle. AM, FM, CD player, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. It's got your backup camera. Super nice. Best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty decent. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's hubcap. Your tire thread coming up is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's rear driver's hubcap. And your tire thread here is just under 730 seconds. The hairline. Let's see a dent around here. The dent here, about 6 inches PDR work, and there's another one here, about 2 inches PDR work as well. All right. Let's see a little ding right here. PDR work. Got power windows, power door locks, your power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. This thing does move. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump in here. Turn this vehicle on for you guys. It does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Actually, I don't think it comes with owner's manuals. Let me check. Let me double check. No, I don't think it does. All right. You got your steering wheel controls on this side. You got your instrument cluster here. As you can see, no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 23,190. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera, pow. You got your rear AC, controls right up here. Very nice. Keeping it moving. I'll turn on the lights. All right. Keeping it going. Got my measuring tool. Coming around, you look good. Rear bumper looks good. This door, both doors here look like it might have swinged out and hit something, but as you can see, it's got a dent there, and it's got another dent over here. Paint off here is, as you can see, these doors do swing out. Right there, boom. This one, likewise, it works. It closes, it opens, it closes, it swings out all the way. Boom. Looks good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. Here's what one of your doors looks like on the inside. Boom. Very nice. Doesn't look too messed up past this here, like way in there. It just looks like a little bit of body work. Here, this door looks good. And here, likewise, that dent there. All right. This quarter looks pretty good. Does seem to have a little ding right there. Some paint off on that. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. And your tire thread here is the hairline on the 730 seconds. This door and this door look pretty good. This one has a little dent here. PDR work, and another one next to it, small, but they are there. All right, this is what your rear passenger seat looks like. Do I have my light on here? They do have little arm rests. Alright, boom, boom. Alright, here's what one of your doors looks like. Boom, on that side and on this side. Front passenger seat, or rear passenger seat here. Looks good, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on this one, likewise on that one, and likewise on these here. Alright. That's your rear running ACs, boom, 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 and your controls up there. This front passenger door looks good. Does have a little ding right there. Oh, almost dropped the phone. Here's your front passenger seat. Does have a rip here, about 2 to 3 inches. Boom. All right. Other than that, we look good. This door looks good. The curtain looks good. This rear passenger hubcap front passenger hubcap looks good. And your tire thread is over 730 seconds. Lights are working. Vehicle looks great. Folks, once again, this is a 2016 Ford Transit XLT model 350, 12 passenger with 23,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.